Hi everyone, I'm just going to create this short video just to remind you how to use Google Drive. This will be a quick tour of Google Drive. So how do you get to Google Drive? Well, Google. And once you've got to a Google page, you can either type in Google Drive right into the search bar here, or you can go into your fancy 9-dot or a waffle, click there, and open up, and Drive should be one of the first things that you see. So just select it like so, and that will bring you into your Google Drive. So I know most of you are familiar with it, so I'm just going to go over this part briefly, but I will provide this recording so you can review it if you need to. So this is a basic layout. Now you can see along the top there are a number of folders. Well, this is my own drive, so I've got a lot of folders created. You may not have any, but I just want to take you on a little bit of a tour of the user interface so you can see what's going on. The view that we have right now is called Icon View. Now the best view to use is List View. So to change it from Icon View to List, simply click where you see the little icon at the top, and that will sort it into List View. This is actually more advantageous for you because it gives you more information. It shows you who the owner of the folder is and when it was last modified. You can organize your files by name, alphabetically, reverse alphabetically just by clicking on the arrow right here. Name. Okay, easy peasy.